Hey guys, welcome to this Omarchy video again. This time we have a very big update. So DHS just released Omarchy 4 and it is codenamed Quattro, and it was just released yesterday with a very long and very informative video covering everything from Omarchy to the latest feature that we have on Quattro. So the biggest update in this release is this quick shell, and this is the way that you can customize your the layout of your desktop in a way that makes you feel that it's very customizable. Okay, so yeah, so it looks like this was not possible before. So and there's lots of other updates as well, really cool updates, but for this video I wanted to update my Omarchy to the Quattro Omarchy 4. And the way to do it is first update my Omarchy to 3.84 and then update it using the another option, Omarchy to Quattro. Okay, I don't know why it's like this, but if I check my Omarchy version, so I'm already at 3.8.4, so I need to update, so I go to 4, and then once I hit 4, probably I'm gonna get this option. Okay, and this is how it looks like. There's lots of cool feature. I'm gonna create another video covering everything in here, but specific, right? How to make things rounded, how to change this top bar to bottom or side, right? So it is all covered in the DHS video, but I just wanted to have a very quick video for each of them so that you can easily get that. All right, so so I'm on 3.8.4. so what I have to do is I'm gonna click on this updates, and then I just click on yes and hit over my password, and that should update. So I'm gonna get back once it's updated, and we'll see if that option pops up. All right.